Get ready, because the future of smartphones is about to take a giant leap forward with the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro, a device that isn't just another phone but a complete technological revolution designed to blow your mind. And trust me, once you hear what's packed inside this masterpiece, you'll be waiting for launch day with pure excitement. So stick around because I've saved a huge surprise for those who stay till the very end. The Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to come with Google's next-generation Tensor G5 chip, built on a cutting-edge architecture that not only boosts speed, but also takes AI to an entirely new level, making your phone smarter than ever before. Imagine real-time voice translations, next-level photo enhancements, and AI that predicts your needs before you even touch the screen. That's how powerful this chip is expected to be. The display is another showstopper, with a 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel running at a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering crystal-clear visuals, vivid colors, and the kind of brightness that makes outdoor viewing effortless. And if you're someone who streams movies, games, or even just scrolls endlessly, you're going to feel like you're holding a mini theater in your hands. Cameras have always been the crown jewel of the Pixel lineup, and the Pixel 10 Pro is said to raise the bar again with a 200MP primary sensor, supported by an ultra-wide and a periscope telephoto lens capable of up to 10x optical zoom. And when combined with Google's AI image processing, your photos and videos will look so sharp, detailed, and lifelike that even night photography will feel like daylight. But what about battery life? Well, the Pixel 10 Pro could come with a massive 6,000 mAh battery paired with 120W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, giving you hours of use in just minutes of charging, plus an AI-powered battery optimization system that learns your habits and adjusts power usage automatically so you never run out of juice at the wrong time. Now, let's talk performance, because this phone isn't just about numbers. It's about delivering an experience that feels seamless, lag-free, and ultra-responsive, whether you're gaming on high graphics, editing videos, or multitasking between heavy apps. The Pixel 10 Pro is designed to handle it all without breaking a sweat. And here's where it gets even more exciting. The launch date is rumored for late October 2025, right before the holiday season, which means it could be the ultimate gift for tech lovers. But imagine being among the first to hold it and show off features no other phone has yet. Wouldn't that be a flex? Now I know you're probably wondering about the price, and trust me, I'll get to that, but let's build the suspense a little, because when you hear what Google might offer as an exclusive surprise, you're going to be shocked. Picture this. Not only will early buyers possibly get access to special AI tools and Google One benefits, but there are whispers of a limited edition accessory bundle that might include a brand new Pixel Watch 3 at launch, but you'll have to wait and see if that actually happens. Imagine getting both devices for one price. Crazy, right? And here's the power setup. The Google Pixel 10 Pro isn't just a phone. It's a bold statement about where mobile technology is headed, combining AI brilliance, unstoppable performance, jaw-dropping design, and battery life that lasts longer than your day. And if you're someone who loves to stay ahead of the curve, then this device is absolutely for you. So my question to you is, are you ready to upgrade to the smartest smartphone the world has ever seen? Or will you wait until everyone else is already experiencing the future before you? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And as promised, here's the surprise. Google is rumored to release a secret color variant of the Pixel 10 Pro that will only be available for the first 100,000 buyers worldwide, a color that no one has seen yet and will make your device completely unique. So if you're serious about owning the rarest version of the Pixel 10 Pro, you'll want to act fast on launch day, because once it's gone forever.